look. Oh, she smells good. This is not relaxing. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by Westkiss Hair. They were kind enough to send me a unit to review for you guys. Now obviously from the title you know this is a headband wig, so if you still clicked on this video then you know why you're here. Before we get into the easy install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So what I tell y'all, okay, it was easy. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Westkiss Hair. It is their headband wig. It comes in a natural color and the starting price for this unit is $67.65. Okay, so very affordable, and just know you get a lot of options with this joint. Starting with the texture. This unit comes in curly, coily, kinky, straight, and straight, body wave, deep wave, and natural wave. Okay, all them options for your unit. You also choose your length between 10 and 30 inches. 30 inches. Rapunzel who? You also get 2 free headbands with your unit, and all of the units come in 250% density. Woo! So for me personally, I got the curly texture in 26 inches, and my unit is $278.29. Now, I'm not sure if I have a coupon code, but if I do, it'll be down below in the description box. However, you can shop in your budget and still get a quality unit for the low, okay? The cap construction is pretty much the same as all the other headband wigs. However, instead of getting the combs in this unit, you actually get the little snap combs. What's a snap comb? The clips, the little clips that you snap into your hair. Those things, okay? It's making a whole bunch of noise. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. You can use those if you want to, but I didn't. You guys know me. I'm finicky about that. I'm still trying to keep my edges, okay? So I just put on my wig grip and tightened down the black strap as much as I could on the back of my head, and that was it. So she's not really that secure. If somebody want to come over and snatch my wig off right now, they can do it, okay? So I got to make sure I go in before I leave this house and put some bobby pins in this joint, and then I'll be good to go. It does come with a slight chemical smell, but nothing overbearing, but I still wash my unit as normal, and then I just let her air dry. I did go in and kind of comb through the unit to kind of give it, you know, a little bit more, you know, body for me, and then I just went in with my leave-in conditioner and put it all through the hair and let her sit. This looks good, y'all. I like it a lot. I even felt a little spicy and did some swoops. Like, what's happening? What's happening? Who am I, sis? I don't know, but I like her. 26 inches on me to the front, comes down just past my chest if I stretch her out. And then this is how long she is on me to the back at 5'6". Y'all see how long this hair is? Ooh, sis. Rapunzel ain't got nothing on me. You hear me? And I put on the pink headband because it matched my eyeshadow. So I was like, ooh, okay, I can do that. Now they did send me some extra headbands. They sent me a lot, y'all. I guess they wanted to show you guys what they have in stock me. So I got a little red joint, a little pink joint. If I want to put that one on, I can do that. This little, what is that, black? Or is that blue? No, I think it's black and gray and white. And this little one right here. They also sent me a little fancy smancy scarf, a little ASMR action. Y'all know what ASMR is? That's that audio, what is it, audio sensory something. It's when like people do all them type of noises like this. or like, you know, makeup and stuff, or using brushes, and it gives you like a little, they call it tingles. I don't know. I watch them sometimes when I go to sleep. It's relaxing to me. Oh, this is not a scarf. This is like a little headband. Oh, this is like a little headband. This is good. I like this. Y'all, they wasn't lying when they said $250. Okay, they are not lying. How do I get this? What's going on? I want to tie mine down like this. That's what I want to do. Why you in that kitchen? Get out of there. Do y'all see? Do y'all see this hair? Do y'all see how this is looking, huh? Look at all this hair, y'all. Look at all this hair. And if I want to braid this joint up, we're gonna go ahead and braid her up. And we're gonna keep braiding and braiding. I could never do ASMR, y'all. I would start laughing. Y'all would be like, this is not relaxing. She look good though. She look good though. We're just gonna wrap this around and we're gonna bobby pin it at the end. Y'all, that look good. She's so cute. Got my little Rapunzel braid going on. Like, y'all, she look good. Oh, this curl is so pretty, y'all. This curl, y'all see this curl? Let me come up closer. Y'all see how this curl is? To the back, this is how she's looking. So she does sit pretty flat. And like I said, you don't get the combs, you get those little clip things. So if you want, you can definitely use those to kind of clip your hair down. But since I'm not doing that, I will use bobby pins for mine. Okay, so if you want to wear the red headband, that's how that will look. The pink one is a little bit thicker than the red one. This one got the definite crisscross in the front. Okay, you can do a low ponytail in this joint because this joint is long enough that she would look really good. I love the length on me, okay? I love the length on me. Now, when I did the co-wash for my unit, I did get shedding with it. However, I did expect that because this is a long unit and it's curly. Tangling wise, I'm not getting anything. However, with this unit being so long and it being on the nape of my neck, you may get some rubbage in the back of your nape there. So it may kind of tangle up or mat up sometimes. Just take your water or whatever and brush that joint through. I like how this is looking on me. Who is gonna be cold this winter? Not I, said Kai. Okay, I'm gonna be bundled up. Look at this, look. Oh, she smells good. I like her a lot. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Westkiss Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. The direct link for this unit will be listed down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.